My name is Daniel, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Mitolyn before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Mitolyn is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Mitolyn from, because Mitolyn is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Mitolyn, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Mitolyn works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will support weight loss and enhances metabolic function. Unlike traditional weight loss products that rely on harsh stimulants or extreme diets, Mitolyn focuses on natural ingredients promoting fat burning and overall wellness. The formulation aims to increase mitochondrial activity, which is crucial for energy production and metabolism. Mitolyn aims to help users burn fat more efficiently by targeting mitochondrial function, leading to sustainable weight loss. The effectiveness of Mitolyn can be attributed to its unique formulation and the science behind it. Users may experience improved fat metabolism by enhancing mitochondrial function, resulting in weight loss over time. Additionally, scientific studies suggest that increasing mitochondrial levels can help maintain a healthier body weight and improve overall energy levels. The real-world testimonials speak volumes about the product's efficacy, with many users reporting significant weight loss and increased energy since incorporating Mitolyn into their daily routines. Key ingredients include maqui berry, rhodiola, Haematococcus, amla, theobroma cacao, and schisandra, each known for its beneficial effects on metabolism and health. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Mitolyn, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Mitolyn for 90 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Mitolyn to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results, and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Mitolyn has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Mitolyn from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Mitolyn actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes.